When the number of records increases in our database and our filter criteria becomes more complex, then custom filter comes to rescue us in such situations. Let us learn how to use custom filter for numeric data. Suppose we are looking for employees who are earning more than 50,000. Click the drop down of earnings, choose number filter, select greater than, type 50,000 in the dialog box, click OK. These are the employees who are earning above 50,000. Suppose we are looking for employees who are earning in the range of 30,000 to 60,000. Range means two limits. They are lower limit and higher limit. So, two conditions will be checked. One, greater than equal to 30,000 and less than equals to 50,000. Click the drop down of earnings, select number filters, select between because you have two limits, lower limit and higher limit. Type 30,000 in the first text box given and type 50,000 in the second text box given. Click OK. These are the employees who are earning in the range of 30,000 to 50,000. Suppose we are looking for employees who are earning below average earning of the company. Click the drop down of earnings, select number filters, select below average. These are the employees who are earning below average earning of our company. In this video, we have learned how to use custom filter on numeric data.